Okay, some technical problem arised. Now we are talking about, because all are very much anxiously waiting for the what are the marks versus the rank in maybe APMCet and TSMCet. Both I want to tell very carefully. APMCet is almost it's completed. Results are expected. Whereas the TSMCet, it's yesterday and today is completed morning session also, and tomorrow is the end. For engineering streams, I am talking. So for both AP and TSMCet, what is the marks versus the rank? If we take very carefully, first point. First thing is, you have to remember very carefully, this year MCET is conducted in a different way. One thing is, there is no, because several students are asking, 100% MCET marks only will be considered. First point. No inter marks consideration in the rank calculation. In the rank calculation, marks directly considered, that is MCET marks only directly considered, not inter marks. No inter marks it is. That is the first point. Next, many are asking about the how much is the minimum qualification. Always remember, out of 160 marks, if you get 40 marks, out of 160, if you get a 40 marks, you are said to be qualified. You are said to be qualified. You will be given a rank. Whereas for SC/ST student, there is no minimum marks. All will be qualified. They may be eligible for the engineering institution. This is the 2 points. First point, inter marks it is not there. Directly MCET marks only rank will come. Second point, 40 is the minimum marks out of 160 to get a rank in engineering MCET. Whereas for SC/ST, any marks you got, you will be qualified. Depending upon the seats availability, they will give the seat. This is the second point. Next, another major difference occurred in the AP and TSMCet is syllabus reduction. 75% syllabus only they conducted, so much variations occurred. Now, first I am talking about the TSMCet, then at end I will tell about the APMCet also. TSMCet, if we take TSMCet, if we take, I am talking about the two categories. Last year, what is the actual rank of 2021? This year is what is that? And compared to last year papers, and those who are writing tomorrow and day after tomorrow also can listen. Compared to last year, this time TSMCet paper is easy. Compared to last year, APMCet paper is hard. Comparison I'm talking. And almost this time APMCet and TSMCet papers are almost equal. I am repeating, in 2021 APMCet is easy, TSMCet is hard. But now what happened, APMCet standard increased, TSMCet standard decreased, so both are almost equal. And now if we take about the TSMCet last year actual rank, 2021 actual ranks, actual, whereas 2022 expected as per my expectation, because several year onwards I'm telling almost you may get that category only, and the marks will be normalized. That also I will tell what is that. Now TSMCet 2021 actual rank is those who got above 135 marks, normalized marks. Means one shift paper is easy, he may get 140, then it is equivalent to 135. One shift paper is very hard, if you get 130, it is equivalent to 135. Like that you have to take, plus or minus 5. Easiest paper means 140, and whereas hardest paper means 130 is equivalent to 135 after normalization. So those who got more than 135, they got below 100 rank out of 160. Next point, 110 to 115, that is below 500 last year. Next, last year rank, this year I will tell now. Next point is, if we take 100 to 105, 100 to 105 is around below 1000 rank, or you can say 1 to 110, it is a below 1000 rank. Next point, 90 to 95 to 100 will take better. 95 to 100 if we take, it is below 3000. And 80 to 85, it is 4 to 6,000. And here major important here only, many will be placed here. Last year those who got 79 to 69 to 72, they got 10,000 rank. Last year I'm talking, those who got 69 to 72, they got 10,000 rank. Now next, if it is 65 to 66 marks, more number of students are there around that, 20,000 rank. Whereas 45 to 50 marks, it is 60 to 70,000. This is the last year. This is not visible here, I will write separately. 69 to 72 around 10,000 means, this is the most important. Why I am talking about 10,000 means, below 10,000 rank if you get, you will get a good seat in the first 10 colleges. So if you want computer, it is nothing but say you have to get in a branded college, it is below 5,000 rank. Whereas if you want any good brands like ECR etc., 10,000 below is good for the first top 10 colleges. So 69 to 72, 10,000. Anyhow, rank versus college, tomorrow I am telling. 69 to 72, around 10,000 rank is important. 65 to 62, 20,000. Whereas if you take 45 to 50, it is nothing but 45 to 50, it is around 60 to 70,000. In the last year, TSMC. This is the last year TSMC. Now coming to actual picture of this year. TSMC 2022 expectation. The factors involved in it. One thing is syllabus is 25% reduced in first year syllabus also, and second year syllabus also 25% is reduced. In first year also, second year also 25% reduced. That you have to remember. And whereas the paper this time, the last, if you take the yesterday's morning paper, evening paper, today morning paper also, just now I known, no students, they called me, and according to them, the paper standard compared to last year little bit less. Here chemistry easiest they are giving, and so many times in programs I told that you go through Telugu Academy or NCERT book line to line, many questions occur direct questions. Physics moderate and maths moderate to typical, because around 40 to 50 questions you can easily solve. If you can solve 40 to 50, it is a wonder, it is a good in the maths. Whereas the remaining 30 are lengthy questions, lengthy time problem will come, so that type is given. So due to the lengthy questions, due to the 25% syllabus reduced, the rank and marks should decrease. Whereas means lesser marks, you can say more marks, good rank should get. But only one thing is this: these 2 year studies are entirely different due to the corona. So many students are affected. So many in different colleges, online classes are going on. Regular classes are not there. In an online classes, some people who are actually interested, they are listening properly and they are doing very well, and few are neglecting. So due to these reasons, what happened? The cutoff will much changes occurs. Even though paper is hard, less marks also you will get a good rank. Less marks also you will get a good rank this year. What is that expected rank this year mean? I am thinking here 140 above. 140 above is in TSMC. TSMC. 140 above is below 100 rank. So 140 above, I am clarifying clearly. 140 above indicate that easiest paper, let us mention 6 if they are conducting, easiest paper should be 144, 145, whereas hardest paper may be 135, 136, plus or minus 5. That. So next point, if we take some are asking about the rank. So this is the ranks I am telling, this year expected rank. Now another point is 100 to 120 marks. Better another category also I will tell. 120 to 140 marks means below 140 and up to 120, it is expected that 500 below rank you will get. Say easy paper means 115 also 500 rank. Easy paper means 145 500 rank. Hard paper means 115 also 500 rank. Hardest paper out of 6 is hardest shift 115, you will get a below 500. Whereas easiest paper, so 145 also below 500. That is the thing you have to remember. Next point, 110 to 120 marks. 110 to 120 marks, we are expecting this time 1000 rank. 110 to 120 marks, it is 1000 below rank you will get. I am repeating again, here again, plus 4 or 5, plus 4 or 5. Means maybe 106 to 124 is below 1000. Hardest paper, if it is 106, you will get 1000 below, and one easiest paper, 124, you will get below 1000. Next point, 100 to 110. 100 to 110, it is below 1500. Again, I am telling plus or minus 3 4 marks. Plus or minus 3 4 marks you have to keep. Easiest 113, hardest 97, like that. So, next point is the next, if we take 95 to 100, 95 to 100, it is below 2000. 90 to 95, 90 to 95, below 2500. 80 to 90, 80 to 90, it is 4 to 10k. Means let us imagine below 9000 I can tell. Below 9000, above 2 point, above 2500, and below 9000 you will get 80 to 90. Here very important, all are anxious to weigh, because many students will fall under this category 7, and this is very much useful also. This year we are expecting 75 to 80 is 10,000 rank. 75 to 80, 10,000 rank. And those who have attempted the hardest paper, let us imagine, compared to yesterday morning, evening is little hard. Whereas compared to yesterday evening, today's is easy. So like that, if you take paper, easiest paper means 82 to 83, and hardest paper means 72, also you will get 10,000 rank below. If you get 72 marks also, below 10,000 rank. So this is about 10,000 rank. Next, if we take below 70 to 75, better. See another part. 70 to 75, if you take, you will get 10 to 15,000. 10k to 15k. Whereas 65 to 70, 65 to 70, we are expecting, because a bulk of the students will be there, around 20,000 rank you will get. Around 20,000. Whereas 55 to 65, you will get below 40,000. 45 to 55, you will get say 40 to 60k. These are the expected rank and marks. So very carefully, this year they are not telling, not visible. 75 to 80, 10,000k. 70 to 75, 70 to 75, 10 to 15k. 70 to 75, it is not visible, they are telling. It is below 15,000. So this is the expected ranks of the TS Eamcet. And remember carefully, many are asking about which college they will get, etc. So that program I am giving, today is Tuesday, Thursday, not tomorrow. Thursday, 1 p.m. I will tell about rank versus college. Of AP rank, how much rank you got, how much rank you are expecting, in which college you will get, and TS rank, and in which engineering college you may get seat. Either government, university, private, every college. I wanted to tell Thursday 1 p.m. I am giving a program, same channel, in Sakshi Education channel. I am giving a program on Thursday afternoon 1 o'clock, because many are anxiety to know that only which college they will get if they get the 20,000 rank, or which college they will get if 100 to 110 marks they are expecting. All that I will tell on Thursday at 1 p.m. So now I am repeating very quickly. Above 140, easiest paper around 144 to 145, hardest paper 135, also below 100 rank, out of the 6 shifts. Next, important points: 110 to 120, below 1000 rank; 100 to 110, below 1500 rank; 80 to 90, 2000 to 9000; 75 to 80, it's important, 10,000 rank; 70 to 75, 15,000 rank. These are the expected ranks in the TS Eamcet as per the yesterday's morning, evening, and today morning paper. Any changes is there? On Thursday, anyhow, I'm telling about the rank and college. In that, small changes maybe there, I will tell according to papers. So this is about TS. Now Coming to APMCet. APMCet expected ranks. Directly I will tell the APMCet expected ranks. See here 140 almost same, you may get below 100 rank. Here also I am clarifying, those who got 144, 145 in a easiest paper, below 100. In hardest paper, if they get 136, 137 also, below 100. So means I will take this range as 136 to 140. This range as, so I'm telling about the 100 below rank. So plus or minus 4, 136 to 144. Average I am taking 140. So that is, if you take hardest paper, you have to get 136, then 100 below rank. Easiest paper, 144, will get a below 100 rank. This is about APMCet I am talking. Next, if you take above 125 marks in APMCet, will give below 500 rank. Above 125 marks will give below 500 rank. 115 to 125 is nothing but below 1000 rank. Next, 105 to 115 gives below 2000 rank. 100 to 105, 100 to 105 below 2000. This 100 to this is 1500, this is 2000. Whereas 95 to 100, it will be below 2500. 90 to 95 below 3000. And I'm expecting 75 to 80, almost same as the TSM said. Here also you will get 10,000. 75 to 80, you will get almost the same range I am giving, because this year TSM said little easy given, APM said little hard given. So both are almost of same type of papers given. Same type of papers are given. So you will get almost this type of. And they are asking about the BC. Definitely, I will tell about BC A, B, C, D, E, and EWS, SC category, ST category, and say local, non-local, local, non-local, and open category in Telangana and in Andhra. What are the ranks? What are the colleges expected? What are the marks you got? How much rank you may get? How much in which college you will get? In computer science you will get, or ECE you will get. All that things Thursday at 1 o'clock. I am telling. Thursday at 1 o'clock, not today, because they are asking about the ranks. I will tell on that day, Thursday at 1. So now coming to here. In APMZ, 140 above below 100, 125 above below 500, 115 to 125 around 1000 rank, 105 to 115 around 1500. But remember, easiest paper plus 3, hardest paper minus 3, like that you can take. Here, easiest paper 109, 108, and hardest paper 97. 97 to 108, because these are the normalized paper. 6 if they conducted, no? All that average, 10 if they conducted in AP, all that average paper, average normalization marks they will give. So only you will get in a decimals marks. Marks will be given in a decimal, because they will do normalization of all the shifts. So after normalization, these are the marks I have given. So actual marks will be a small difference will be there. So easy, hard paper, depending upon that, plus or minus 3 or 4 you take. So 75 to 80 marks, it is a 10K, 10,000. 75 to 80 marks, it is a 10K. Whereas if you take below that marks, if you get, that is 60. So I'm talking about APMC. 75 to 80, 10K. Whereas 65 to 70K, it is a much change will occur below 20,000 rank. Many people will be there in this range, 65 to 70. Whereas if you get a 60 to 65, it is almost 30 to 35,000 rank. And 50 to 60, you will get around 40 to 60,000 rank. So these are the expected ranks and the marks with respect to APMCet. And because many are asking, I am telling clearly on Thursday about different categories. I will tell. If you get 1000 rank, which college, which branch? If you belong to OC, if you belong to BC, what type of college you will get in 1000 rank, 2000 rank, 10,000 rank, 15,000, 20, all categories I will tell on Thursday. So All the best for tomorrow's exam, and write well. As expected, papers are as, because I have given long time programs also in that what expected, and also I sent some assignments and worksheets and videos. Majority of the questions in TS and APM set. TSM set yesterday's paper, majority of the questions are same you are getting, almost that type of models you are getting. That is expected vector algebra more you are getting, differential equation you are getting, matrices more you are getting, and circles more you are getting, pair of straight line more you are, all these are expected only. Same thing you are getting. So all the best. Thursday at 1 o'clock we'll continue.